Hadien balami ka jingdawa na ki babon ki kanon sang bhalang ki kanhon kli nong sen charge nong bat kumjo na ki riu pajba ban weng ya ke MoU ko bla dep yasoi hapadeng umentri rangba ka jala Meghalaya konrat ke sangma bat umentri rangba ka Assam uhimanta biswa habede bakar pynbeit yo put usam ka bla dep hakawat ka baningkong hapadeng ki arjala ka Meghalaya bat Assam umentri rangba ka jala u konrat ke sangma minta ka singi kalai phoi terek unailar hapakran skilat pathai khubor ulong Nado kasngi paningkong akranchai ba ke MoU kapala dep ban yasoi anum la ban penkala hendrei ki don pat kato kat ni ki benta ki baret baria ki bala ban pynbeit hendrei ban weng ye ke MoU kapala dep ban yasoi ka dei ke e ka ba la man le.
So we have been very clear from day one that the MoU has been signed and there's no question of changing that. Apart from that, of course, there are certain smaller issues that need to be ironed out. And we will explore the option of finding out if there's any way to accommodate or look at some of the areas which may be just close by. Some adjustments can be made, but in principle, whatever has been decided has been decided. So I have been very clear from day one of this entire talks that this is a problem where we have seen for the past 50 years, people of the state from both sides have been suffering. And hence we were very clear in our mindset that we need to resolve this problem. A lot of governments in the past tried, but they did not really take the step further. Discussions were made, but no concrete step was taken. So therefore we took that concrete step, and I should say it's a historic one. And it was something that was long pending. While we started working on this, we also made it clear that we will not be able to find a perfect solution. There's never a perfect solution in complicated situations like this. But we assured the people that we will find the best possible solution that is there. And if you look at the entire MoU and if you look at the entire way it has been implemented, the state of Meghalaya has gained in a large number of places, and maximum of the villages where we had put on our demand have come to us. Maximum demands that we had from our side in terms of critical spaces and locations, like for example the cemetery and the graveyard in Maikuli, for example the football field in Maikuli. These areas have come to state of Meghalaya, and many other locations which are very crucial and critical for the people's perspective have come. Are there areas of concern? There will be. As I said, it's not a perfect situation. There are two states, and we have to keep in mind both the states. And accordingly, we have to move forward. So that's the way it will be. And as I said, there's no question of us reviewing or revoking the MoU. These are the Block 2 area and the Block 1 area, and the rest of the 6 areas, which is Bordwar, Motwar, and Langpi, Block 1, Block 2, Handuli, Pisiar. These 6 locations, the talks have only started now. And therefore, it will be not correct to jump to conclusion and say this is coming and this is not coming. Let the talks proceed. The committees will be formed and announced very, very shortly.